Hello and welcome to GoDAM. Today, we'll take a look at the analytics feature, which gives you powerful insights into how your videos are performing. We start on the analytics dashboard. At the top, you'll see 4 quick stats for last 7 days. These are active videos, total plays, play rate, and watch time. These give you a snapshot of overall activity at a glance. Next, we move to the playback performance chart. Here, we track engagement rate and play rate over time. You can filter by different ranges, for example, last 7 days, 1 month, 6 months, or a year. Both charts are shown by default, but you can toggle between them individually using the checkboxes in the top right. Besides that, we have a views by location section, which shows a world map of where your viewers are coming below with a detailed breakdown in form of a list. Finally, on this page, we have the top videos section. Here, you'll see the best performing videos ranked with an option to export the list as a CSV for deeper analysis. Now, let's drill down into a specific video. From the top video section, I'll click on one of the videos, which takes us to the single video analytics page. Just like in the dashboard, we start with 4 quick stats, which are average engagement, total plays, play rate, and watch time. Beside that is a heat map overlaid directly on the video itself. This shows exactly which part of the videos are most watched, skipped, or replayed, giving you a clear picture of the viewer behavior. Below that, we have our playback performance chart for engagement rate and play rate, and views by location chart, which are specific to these videos. In addition, there's a views by post source section, which shows how much traffic this video received from different WordPress posts. Finally, we reach to the performance comparison feature. Here, we can choose a video and compare it with the current video across key metrics like views, average engagement, total plays, play rate, play roads, and many more. And that's the GoDAM analytics feature, an easy way to measure, understand, and compare how your videos are performing across your site. Thank you and happy analyzing with GoDAM.